দূর হটাও, নেপালের মাওবাদীরা ভারত থেকে দূর হটাও। বিমল গুরুং
Exclusive arrest of Salabari Nathan Chetri was produced officially by the court from jail in Exclusive arrest of Salabari Nathan Chetri was produced officially by the court today. The police have said that Chetri was among 2 people arrested on August 7th. Chetri is a Sukma local and has been arrested in connection with the violence at Sukma on July 29th. The other person, Uday Fagud, the police have claimed hails from the Falls Island district, which borders the Pashupati area near Lurik. These arrests were made 2 days after the police arrested GJM leader Norbuji Lama from Siligara.
ওই ডায়লগটা মিস হয়ে গেল, বিমলের চামড়া গুটিয়ে দেবো আমরা, ওটা পরের বার বলতে বল। মাঝখানে ঢোক